Right, so I'm just going to go through and demo what I've got set up at the moment. It's still a work in progress. So here's my room, bed over there, projector, Vivarium for my snake, window, TV, and my projector screen. So here's my phone. I'll show you the voice activation first. TV on. Takes a little while, but works. Turn the computer on. That was pretty much instant. Open the blinds. Turn the fan on. Don't know if you can hear it, but it has switched on. Let's turn the lights off and close the blinds. Obviously the dual commands still need a bit of work, because that one didn't work. Sometimes it works. So alongside the voice commands, I've got an app for my phone, which has all the same stuff in it. TV on and off, my fan on and off, window blinds, ceiling lights, I've got bed LED, which is a bit over the top, but it's an LED under my bed, which you can also change the brightness of and the colour as well, so just forward and backward for the colour. The actual app itself, it's all pulling from a MySQL database, so the interface, everything in it changes depending on the actual content of that database. Downstairs I've got my dining room lamp, lounge lamp and TV plug sockets, and I've got TV hooked in, which is a Humax HDR Fox T2, and it's got custom firmware on it. When it does work, which is switched off at the moment, but when it does work, it takes you to the interface that somebody else has written, and you can control it and set recordings remotely and all that sort of stuff. What else have I got? I've got a thermostat, which is for my Vivarium, which is the heat pad inside. It keeps tabs on the temperature, and it turns on and off the heat mat at the temperatures that I've set within the app, which you can adjust. So other than that, there's timer, which I still need to redesign the visuals of it, but it allows you to set the on and off times for each independent switch, and you can do it for more than once a day, each switch. Switches I'm still working on at the moment, but that lists all the switches by room, and then there'll be sub-menus to actually edit the switch depending on what you want it to do. Rooms, which you can rename the rooms, hide or show them from the actual menu, all the stuff you expect. I've still yet to implement logs, and that's pretty much it.